Good morning, everyone. Today I will be covering the topic strip crowns in periodontic practice. Every child patient deserves the best dental treatment that clinician can provide, as any treatment, preventive or restorative, will shape their dental future. Coming to the strip crowns are made up of celluloid material, and these are transparent crowns which are primarily used for restoration of deciduous anterior teeth. These crowns can automatically contour the restorative materials to match the natural dentition. They have thin interproximal walls. They give enough strength to the material and very easy handling. They are ideal for chemical as well as right cure composite resins. They are easy to fit and trim. They are easy to remove and easy and fast to remove. That easily matches the natural dentition. Coming to the crown selection, the crown selection of a celluloid crown is done by checking the mesiodistal diameter of the crown. The incisal which we are going to prepare, we have to measure the mesiodistal diameter of that incisor by placing the crown opposite adjacent to that tooth. The next step is tooth preparation. For tooth preparation, first is to anesthetize the tooth. Then we will isolate the tooth. Then we remove the caries. Then with the help of a tapered diamond burr or tungsten carbide burr and a high-speed hand paste, we reduce the incisal surface and then we slice the mesial and distal surfaces of the tooth, giving the knife-edge gingival margin. Then we round off the line angles and point angles. Then a cervical undercut is given at the gingival margin. Then these celluloid crowns are trimmed and then they fitted over the crown to check the length of the crown and cervical fit of the crown. Then remove the crown, give a vent on mesial and distal incisal edge. GIC is applied on the pulpal wall over the exposed dentin. Then the etching is done with 37% phosphoric acid for 15 seconds. Wash it and dry it. Then dry it. Then apply the bonding agent for 15 seconds. Crown forms then filled with the composite restorations are applied over the tooth and firmly without distortion. Excess composite resin is then removed with the help of a probe or Watt's carver. This restoration is then cured with a light cure unit for 1 minute with an excavator and or probe which is inserted beneath the edge of the celluloid crown. The crown is just stripped off. After that, finishing and polishing is done with a flexible carborundum disc or fine diamond high-speed burr. If done accurately, the strip crown can give perfect aesthetic restorations for primary anterior tooth. This is the labial and palatal view of finished strip crown restorations. We can see the pre-op as well as post-op restorations also. Thanks a lot for your patient listening.